the greatest Jamaican. I call her the greatest Jamaican woman. Why do I do that? Now what you have here? Cucumber and what?
Cucumber, lemon and ginger.
Cucumber, lemon and ginger. Now the cucumber you grow yourself?
Yeah, man. I can show you one of them outside.
Okay.
And at Brooklyn, them growing on or Jamaica.
Hey.
Listen, the color where we grow ya, then have to put in application to grow them in Jamaica.
They have to put application in? Why?
Because the color do not grow like that in Jamaica. This is an English cucumber. See? English. This is a Bangladeshi.
Whoa. Them don't grow in Jamaica like this.
No way. This one, we never remember any. This one is a different variety. Okay? And so we juice them, and then you have this kind. You have this kind, which are like the regular cucumber, where most people know. And then you have this other kind. Well, this other one, let me show you.
Wow.
Okay?
Wow, that's the one that's nice. That's the one that's good for salad.
Which, yeah, man.
This one right here, the small one.
This is the best for salad.
Why is that? You use
It's
the
just
skin
nice. No, we don't peel the cucumber. We just wash them and eat them.
So you don't use no pesticides?
No pesticide, no fertilizer. And that's how we grow with stuff. See that tobacco there?
That's tobacco?
Yes.
In Brooklyn?
Yes, look what, see them in a pot there, all them
These are
plants there.
tobacco?
Yes.
So what you gonna do with them?
People order them. They
Yeah.
say it's a spiritual plant, you know, you keep it in your house.
No, this is kale.
That's a peel.
Kale. And this is what?
Oil nut.
Oil nut.
Cast
Wait.
out. You see this thing in a pot?
It's leaf of life right here.
I can't remember that. It's
This-
only
this
called
one.
pasture in Jamaica. Can't every time you come. And see the semi-contract there?
Where's the semi-contract?
Right in front of you.
This?
Yes.
The semi-contract?
Come me go show you one big.
But that's from Jamaica, right?
But I think it's around in Jamaica. I go all over.
She have tomatoes. This is her yard in Brooklyn. You have some of this. All right, Jamaicans. See now, this is why this is the greatest Jamaican woman right here.
This is Susumba. I soon
This
start
is
here.
Susumba.
Watch. This is semi-contract. You see how big it is?
This here?
Prostate cancer, uterine cancer, breast cancer. This.
So how much
And
of
men
this?
supposed to drink it.
And how much of this do you plant? A lot?
We just plant a couple short. So
What's this here?
this is
And no fertilizer.
tomatillo.
No fertilizer. What kind of dirt do you use?
We just we get some compost from the city, but just a regular dirt and compost. That's a plum plant.
Plum.
That's a plum plant. And this is arugula.
Oh, what is that good for?
Oh my God, we use it like lettuce. It's the best. Then you have mustard,
Mustard green.
and you have Malabar spinach, and then you have the rosemary. You see 3 rosemary plants?
Wow. So what? Wow.
And that's a lavender right there.
Does Florida know you have all of these?
I don't know, and this is chard.
Chard.
And over here, my
Wait,
dear.
wait, I might as well get my long pants.
Yes, you have one like her?
No.
This here is basil. We have this basil and we have the red basil. See them?
Yeah, yeah.
And this is the broadleaf thyme. This we have the Montego Bay cover over the
Because I
entire
remember
place.
at your house in Jamaica,
Yes.
I did a video at your house, you know, and people
That's
love
it.
it.
Yes.
So you have so when we at my house, I have to just,
You have to plant.
I have to come get your stuff.
Come let me show you the Come let me show you the. These are all collards and peel. These are long beans. See?
Long beans.
String beans. String beans, not long beans. And we have pumpkin. This is where we have
Pumpkin.
here. This is echinacea. This is where they make the thing from when you drink.
What thing?
You have a echinacea thing where you put underneath your tongue. If you get a cold and you put the extract in there, cold disappear.
Okay.
See semi-contract? Yeah?
Semi-contract.
Then just drop by seed and grow by themselves. Look. This is charred.
Charred.
Look at the blackberry.
And you got your blackberries.
You can pick as much as you want.
Yeah?
Look now.
This is your callaloo here.
No, that's not callaloo, that's kale. That's a dinosaur kale.
This right here.
Oh, this is, I don't know what this, it's from the callaloo plant, but it's not callaloo.
You can't eat it?
Yeah. Oh, look at the blackberry, you can pick. And here is our moringa.
Oh, that's your moringa here.
Yes. And this is my turmeric.
Your turmeric.
Yes.
And you have your tomatoes.
And here's my gungo.
Oh, you got your peas, your gungo peas.
And
these came from Jamaica.
And this is my,
And this one is leaf of life.
No, this is a broadleaf thyme.
Broadleaf thyme, okay, sorry.
That's the pumpkin one in all along there.
Over there.
This is, what do you think?
It's a mango tree.
No. This
Guava?
is a herb for cancer where they grow in Jamaica.
Is it donkey wood? Chicken weed? No, it's not chicken weed.
This one is what a sweet thing where you're supposed to use and eat it through the leaf. You use this is arrowroot.
Wow, this is good. You did good, you know.
This is ginger.
This is ginger.
Yes.
This is nice.
This is lemongrass.
Lemongrass. And then you have your aloe.
And then this is cactus.
Your cactus.
And over here we have bitter melon.
Where's the bitter melon?
See it running there.
This is it.
But we have lots of it elsewhere. Okay, and come look over here. Where the ladder? Jeez,
Do you?
Come, let me show you something beautiful. How this go? Ow!
Be careful with that.
Shit, man, just pinch.
You got your peppers.
Oh yeah, these in pots. But we have a whole pepper bed of a triplar. Look. A tangerine orange.
This is from Jamaica.
No, yeah, we plant the seeds. Looks.
This is what you get from Jamaica.
Yeah. But look in front of you. You know what these are?
Sorrel.
Yes.
From Jamaica.
Yes. And this is thyme.
So what happens when it's winter now?
No, I plant them in pots. They're going to soon start bare.
So you bring them in the house?
That's why I'm going to put them in the pot.
And then they die?
No. This is lettuce seeding. So that we can get the plant back.
You get the seeds.
But see another sorrel there. See how big one. They soon start bare. And in that pot, 1, 2, 3.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Is that from Jamaica?
Yeah, man. That's a plant a papa got from the Philippines. It's huge, and then I gave my brother in Jamaica.
Now, people over the world, you see why around the family is the most incredible family in the world?
Dasheen.
That's Dasheen.
I'm going to take them out and put in the ground.
Wow, you're the greatest Jamaican.
And we have a hibiscus plant. Look how big my orange is.
Wow.
Hoping eventually it will flower.
Look at this.
Cactus.
And now, why do you do this? What's the passion? Where do you get this from?
Passion is, some people on this planet for a different reason. We get herbs, but even though I work a full-time job, the most meaningful thing to me is farming. That's what we do. So we have a corn.
Yeah, whoa, let's go check out the corn. Are these Jamaican corns?
Yes. Keep our seeds from year to year to year.
They look just like Jamaican corn. Because it looks different from American corn, you know.
No, we don't want American corn. We don't eat American corn.
Wow.
And this is raspberry. See? It's not the blackberry, that's raspberry. And see, we actually, when you go with us over the other garden, you're going to see pumpkin and beer you can't believe.
And this is just a small spot she has here. Imagine if you had 10 acres.
Tell him I work out of 5 gardens.
She works at 5 gardens in Brooklyn. You've been doing this about 10 years in Brooklyn?
No, 20 odd years.
20 years in Brooklyn. Look at the corn.
28 years from
28
1990.
years. This is why she's one of the greatest Jamaicans. I'm always on the hunt for great Jamaicans, and my friends and family out there, you have encountered greatness. You thought Usain Bolt was great until you see the Moringa plant, right? Now look at, my favorite is mint. See that mint right
We
there?
have tons of it.
She has tons of different mints. And you think I wouldn't be this fat if I have this family, right? But you know,
And so
I take it for granted.
And this is hibiscus flower.
You have your hibiscus,
And we have string beans in ponds.
string beans. So I have a friend Angela, and she want to come get some suckers and some seeds. She can't come
Since
through.
when? Since when?
She not can come through and get some stuff from you.
Of course, but what I'm saying, when she should have put all that to the plant already.
But she's in Atlanta.
Oh, you mean seeds for next year?
Yeah.
Oh, most certainly.
As we grow older, we can't keep getting this cancer. My friend just had breast cancer, and now we're treating after the fact. We're always treating ourselves after the fact, right, Auntie? We're after treatment people. We need to be more proactive. And that's the message I've always been sending on the site. Be more proactive. I'm not perfect, but every time I answer them, I have to draw me up and say, Kevin, you can't eat the meat.
When save your life.
Look at
Even
that.
if you're born with, even if you have the tendency because family members have cancer,
Yeah.
it's genetic. Now what you eat
Would
will
help.
change that. And if you're going to get up to a McDonald's, go eat.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm patty every day and them foolishness.
Yes.
And
So
watermelon.
from March, you start to put it in the house, right?
No. January, February, depend like pepper.
January, February.
Pepper we change February, January. And we keep them inside in the basement with lights so that we can put them out.
So not everything grow in January and February, even inside.
Yeah,
Everything can grow?
yes. As long as you have light.
What kind of lights do you use? You use special light?
Regular light or
Plant light?
bulb. But mostly we just use a regular bulb. We put up stand in our living room and plant with seeds.
In your buckets.
Eh?
So that means I could grow susumba in my house inside?
The plant, I don't know if it will bear.
Okay.
So what you could do, you could put it in a pot, and this is what we do, like with the sorrel.
With the
You
sorrel.
put it in a pot, and then when it starts bearing, when you bring it inside, when it starts get cold, it continue to bear. Same thing with the gungo. You have gungo and dry too, you know.
Okay, so you put it in the pot, and once it gets hot outside, you just put it out, then it'll bear.
Huh?
Once you put it in the sun, it will bear.
Oh yes. But I'm saying once it starts bearing outside, like how we have the sorrel, when they start bearing out, and the gungo,
Yeah.
you bring them inside, they continue to bear.
What?
Yeah, as long as you have light and air.
What is this one here?
That's a mint, is called lemon balm.
Wow.
We have it all over the place. One hell of a big bush right there.
The mint is my favorite, you know.
And we have different kinds. And this is the fig tree. It's a fig plant. Yeah, that's fig. See that plant here? That's fig. They actually have fruits on it. See the fruits them down there? Your mother have one up here. We give her.
Now go tell Angel to come help on the farm. She just had breast cancer. So once she heal up, she wants to go natural.
One of the things she needs to do continuously.
Use continuously for breast cancer.
Yeah, is the soursop.
The soursop leaf
Tea, yeah.
for tea, right?
Yeah.
Well, people, see the sorrel. My favorite. But my favorite of all times is the susumba.
So me have a big plant of susumba right now.
Alright guys, what I use this leaf for is
Susumba?
you take the leaf and you make a juice out of it.
Susumba leaf?
Yes. You put it in the blender and you blend that up, and you see when you drink that, that is your perfect washout. Where is it? This susumba is the most important bush. Where is it? This is one of my favorite bushes, susumba. All right, now, yeah. Now, people, whenever you see a bush try to protect itself like this, you see any bush you see with mark up on it, those are the valuable bushes. These are the bitter thing that your stomach wall. If you get a cut, you take the leaf, rub it in your hands and put it in the cut. This is the healing property of the stomach wall and for the blood. It purifies the blood. The susumba itself, you eat it lightly steamed or even just raw.
Cut this plant.
That's what?
That's bay leaf.
Bay leaf.
This one now, but this bush name, it used to there now where Miss Mary, this is a healing bush, me forget it. We just get it the other day and plant it. It flower white. It soon come to me.
And here's and this is Brooklyn.
Moringa.
That's your moringa. You know, a lot of people will be so jealous of you.
Why? There's no need to be.
There's no need to be jealous. Be this yourself. You can get anything you want.
This is our pastime.
This is moringa, people. One of the most important plant in the world, right?
I see. I just plant much noni.
Where's the noni?
I just plant them. The one I had died. So I have 1, 2, 3.
So you need more
20.
land. You need more land, man.
No, me put them in pots.
But you need more land. Brooklyn.
We have gungo.
Gungo in Brooklyn.
See me about dry gungo. Look.
Boy, life is something else. Anywhere you go, you have life.
Yes, my dear. Life.
What is this thing here?
What? That is pepper. That's called coriander. Let me tell you, I just did some research on this. I couldn't believe it has so much medicinal benefit. The plant have it named shit. One to me head the seed name coriander and the plant name
Coriander.
this won't tell you where plant will come to be. So the coriander itself, the seeds have high medicinal value. High.
No, this is Mr.
Weeding,
Farming.
everything,
The Carlo take over one?
everything. So that's for weeding out the peppers.
Sweet peppers.
So they can come out nice.
So where the pumpkins? Whoa. No, you know that did you know that when the pumpkin is young, it is the best thing for the heart when you have a heart attack.
No.
Not when it's old, when it's young.
And young?
Yes. You know, like green banana,
Right.
pumpkin when it fit. You see when it's young, it's potent. You see like this right also? When pumpkin is halfway there, yes, you blend it with the skin, the seed, everything, and the papa, the skin, the seed, everything. The bitterness of the skin helps the blood, and the seeds help the lungs, especially papa seeds. A friend of mine just had a heart attack. Mother prescribed, has a lot of magnesium in the pumpkin. But you see, don't make it too fit. See this pumpkin halfway there? Alright, people of the world, I'm signing out. I'm wishing you luck. Get a Vitamix blender with the horsepower. What the Vitamix does with the horsepower, it breaks down the food so they can digest it quickly into the bloodstream. This is why I always talk about a Vitamix, because of the horsepower. it goes to the bloodstream quicker when it's refined. Okay, it wakes up the nutrients. So get your Vitamix and blend anything that's green, leaf, stem, whatever. Test it on yourself. Use yourself as a guinea pig. Take your time, right? And test it out. And if you start feeling different, just okra. See there? One of the biggest healing properties is the okra leaf.
Oh, we know. And the okra itself.
Oh man.
Especially when you eat them raw.
Yeah, let me get one of those okras. You eat the okra raw, people. When we used to be in Africa, we never have much steaming business. And this is why when disease came, it wasn't a problem for us in Africa.
Until somebody else bring them shit there.
You know? Raw okra, eat that every day. And one thing a lot of people are afraid of is seeds. You can do seeds in moderation. Even
Why are you afraid of this?
because it tastes funny. The humans have a problem with taste.
No, but if you chew it up young, you know, it will taste different.
A lot of people will not eat okra raw because they're not used to raw stuff.
Right, I know.
But when you get the Vitamix blender, you put mango to kill taste and pineapple to kill
Actually,
taste.
you can cut when you're making a salad.
Okay.
You can technically cut up the raw okra and put it in your salad instead of...
So here's something for the men. You see, when you get your cucumber and your okra, and you put a garlic in there, and you put some oats in there, and a little bit of dragon stout if you want to cream it up, and you blend that, and then you can put an egg in there. I wouldn't recommend using eggs at all, but you can put just the egg whites. So you don't even have to use the egg, but when you blend that every morning, and if you want to kill the taste, you use pineapple and ginger or mango. And you blend that every morning raw. And drink that 12 o'clock. Do not eat or drink anything before 12 o'clock. And do not eat anything after 6 o'clock. The master herbalist says so himself. It's between 12 and 6. In the morning you get water and lemon in the morning, you drink that. But do not eat fruits or anything before 12. And then between 12 and 6, that's when you eat. But when you drink your okra at 12 o'clock, by time...
So what you drink in the morning when you get up?
Just water and lemon. You leave a lemon in the water overnight. And you keep it at room temperature. And it lines the stomach wall, the esophagus, to prepare it for digestion. That's the first thing you do in the morning. Lemon and water. Okay, no tea, no nothing yet.
Will you tell them about this thing? The purslane?
The what?
The purslane.
Parsley?
Purslane.
Purslane? What is it good for?
Oh, Jesus. You call it parsley or Jamaica.
They call it parsley in Jamaica?
Parsley.
Parsley. And what is it good for?
It's for diabetes, people with diabetes.
Mm-hmm.
And it's one of the only plants that have omega-3. It's a powerful plant.
Okay. Now I'm going to teach you something.
This other one here, it's not Great Jamaica, it's called lamb's quarters.
Lamb's quarters.
And this my
So why you dig it up?
No, because I clean up my bed, we have whole heap of it.
Okay. And what is it good for?
When I went to my doctor, a holistic doctor in the city, Dr. Ali, and he tell me to use it. But it's good. You can't even know.
All right, Auntie, what does this look like?
What?
It looks like the lungs, right?
The lungs?
Yeah.
That's how long look.
So it's spread out. You see this? Anything you see with like a network, just to the nerves. You guys ever tried drinking the callaloo seeds?
Yeah, we make tea with it.
Tea with it, right?
The callaloo, then so you have to reheat it after when you cook, you know. So I produce oxalic acid, which is not good for your body when it's reheated. So technically, if you just cook enough, eat it, and when you want again, you cook it, you know, eat it. And if you're ready to eat it, you eat it cold after you cook it.
You see all of these pumpkins spring up to this. Look upon this. Look on this.
This is not pumpkin. This is
Cucumber.
butternut squash.
Butternut squash. Okay. Well, you guys have everything. What's that? The okra? Well, you know, sir, as Jamaicans, we don't have a shortage of health. We just have to. I'm gonna. So Jamaicans, this is Randy signing out. I'm calling you to donate your time in the garden. We're in New York City. Don't be afraid. Get your hands dirty, and you're not gonna get no cancer. You're not gonna get no diabetes. Hang out with my auntie. We're no good for life. All right. Take care. I can't give you no more gift than this. Right, Uncle? You good? You want them to come volunteer, right? And then we get free callaloo. What else for free? People in the world, them can come volunteer. What them will get for free? Everything, anything them want. No, not everything.
No man, they can come shop too.
Them can come shop if you want.
No, what would be good for them is that they can come shop for the natural stuff.
So be a part of the family. I'm always traveling the world and tell you, welcome to the family. It's a health family, and it's up to you. America is what it is if you make it what it should be. America is what it is if you make it what it should be. Just we can't change America now. Eh? Yes, people, right now it's Randy. I'm under the grape plant. I'm about to pick some grapes to eat. Oh, they're so soft and nice. Yes, 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 grapes, come here. Yes, yes, grapes, yes, yes, grapes. Rasta grape, these. These are Rasta man grape. They're so sweet and nice. Yes, my people. Remember, if you want to volunteer in the garden in New York City, you like organic stuff, link up with the family. This is Brooklyn, New York, broadcasting to you. It's my Sunday grape picking, live eating. Auntie, can I pick the whole stem? Can I pick the whole stem? Yeah, man, look at this. Grape picking in Brooklyn. Let the bees do his thing. I'm doing my thing. Everybody's doing their thing. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful living by Randy. I hope you and the family doing great. If you're in New York City, come along and pick some grapes. We have so much here to share with you.